Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Criteria Excavations. I will visit today a beautiful archaeological site, a very old town, 4,000 years old, in an excellent condition today. A town which was built 2,000 years before Christ. A town which was buried under pumice and volcanic ash during the great volcanic eruption, 1612 before Christ. The first excavation started here in 1967 by the Greek archaeologist Spiros Marinatos. Why Marinatos came on this island, what he was looking for, and why he chose this area to start the excavations. Marinatos was very interested for the Minoan civilization. Have you ever been on the island of Crete? Yes? No? No? Okay. The rest of you must go. It's a beautiful island, isn't it? Yes, that was the right answer. Because I'm from Crete, so I was checking.
Very beautiful.
The reason why I'm talking about Crete is because today a lot of times I will say Minoans and Minoan civilization. So you need to know that we call Minoan the civilization which flourished on the island of Crete from 2,000 years before Christ till around 1450 before Christ. That was the time when all the four Minoan palaces on the island of Crete were destroyed very, very suddenly. The Minoan, the Cretan civilization, came to the end, exactly the same time when it was on its peak, on its zenith. So something happened very, very suddenly. Marinatos was on Crete making excavations in Amnisos. That was the port of the palace of Knossos. And there inside a well he found pumice stones. Pumice is a porous, lighter volcanic material. It's a volcanic material and it came from the air, Marinatos thought. So if the pumice came from the earth, that means that it's a product of a terrible volcanic eruption. And if there was a terrible volcanic eruption, maybe that was the reason why the Minoan civilization came to the end. Marinatos published his theory for the first time in 1939, and the rest of the archaeologists gave him the answer. It's a very interesting theory, but prove it. Prove your theory. That was the answer. To find the proofs, Marinatos came in Santorini. He chose the southmost part of the island where we are now to start excavations for some different reasons. He chose this area because, first of all, Akrotiri was and still is the flattest area on the island. It is situated next to the sea level. It's protected there from the north winds. It means an ideal place to build a town which had its own port. Marinatos knew that the ancient town had a port because he knew that there were trade communication between Crete and Santorini. Sorry. Are you the people from Kamari? He came by taxi.